Warm greetings, dog lovers and interior design enthusiasts. If you have a deep affection for your dogs and wish to infuse your living space with their irresistible charm, look no further than Dog Wallpaper. In this video, we embark on a delightful exploration of dog-themed wallpaper, a versatile and captivating design element that can instantly transform any room into a canine heaven. From playful puppy patterns to sophisticated dog motifs, we will delve into the enchanting world of dog wallpaper, offering inspiration and guidance to help you create a space that reflects your love for our four legged friends.